tired of lugging in, dragging in all of these heavy bottles of water just so that my family can have some clean filtered water. So I partnered with Epic Water Filters. This Smart Shield Max is said to replace 5,000 plastic water bottles and reduce up to 99.9% of contaminants. So I'm already sold. I'm going to install this, and hopefully this will alleviate me having to lug in all of that water. All right, so let's see what's in here. We have the installation and operations manual for easy installation. They say it should only take about 15 to 20 minutes to install, which is perfect. And all the tubes and supplies you need to install the filter. Then we have the filtration system. This is the Smart Shield Max, along with this manifold here. This filtration system is made in the USA, and it filters up to 750 gallons of water, which is perfect for a family for up to a year. It also filters out bacteria, fluoride, and microbial cysts. Let's get into it. This is the unit all set up. We have the manifold at the top and the filter at the bottom. And this is how you get filtered water. With this great tasting filtered water, I do not have to lug around all of those bottles of water anymore. I am so excited about that. Check the link in the description box below to get your Smart Shield Max Epic Water Filter today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.